Hi there, my name is Greg Snell with UAV Coach, and in this video we're going to cover how to get your FAA Part 107 drone license in the US. Let's get started. Here's what we're going to learn in this video. Why would I need a drone license? How long does it take to get a drone license? What's on the FAA test? How much does that test cost? And how can drones benefit me or my team? So first things first, why would I need a drone license? Why do I need a drone license? If you are looking to fly your drone for hire or for any part of your job, or really for any non-recreational purpose, then you must get a remote pilot certificate from the FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration, under the Part 107 regulations. We also go over this topic in another video titled How to Register Your Drone with the FAA, which you can find linked in the description below. Having an official FAA remote pilot certificate allows you to fly your drone in all 50 US states and territories. Also, once you have it, you need to keep in mind that you must renew the certificate every 2 years. And this is the only drone license certificate available in the US. It's not like a driver's license where you can get different classes for things like commercial vehicles. There is only one drone license, and this is how you get it. Next up, is there a test? And if so, how long does it take? Yes, there is an FAA drone pilot's license test from the moment you begin studying for the test to actually receiving your FAA remote pilot certificate. It takes most of our students between 4 and 6 weeks. We can break this down into 3 simple steps.
The first step is to study for the test. There are different ways to study, but we would recommend using our self-paced online course called Drone Pilot Ground School. The second step is to pass the FAA exam. Now, to take this test, you will go in person to a local test center in your area. The third step is to apply for your drone license on the FAA's website.
Okay, so what's on the test? Let's take that one inside.
The FAA drone license test is made up of 60 multiple choice questions. You'll have 2 hours to complete the test, and you must get 70% or higher to pass. Now, in order to study and prepare yourself for the test, you must learn the UAS Airman Certification Standards, which has over 120 different concepts. Here are some of the main topics that you'll be tested on. First off is drone laws and the FAA regulations. Then you've got the National Airspace System, reading sectional charts, airport operations, weather and micrometeorology, SUAS loading and performance, emergency procedures, crew resource management, radio communication procedures, and the physiological effects of drugs and alcohol in your aeronautical decision-making. It sounds a little intense and overwhelming, but with the right preparation, you'll be able to go into this exam and guarantee yourself a passing grade. Now, one question we often get asked is, do I need to know how to fly a drone in order to get my drone pilot's license? And interestingly enough, the answer is no. The FAA does not require you to demonstrate drone flight proficiency in order to get your drone pilot's license. So whether you have experience flying a drone or not, you can still take the steps necessary to prepare and pass this exam. Now, if you weren't aware of this already, our team here at UAV Coach runs one of the industry's leading online test prep and training courses for this exam, where you can learn all 120 plus concepts in our self-paced online course, Drone Pilot Ground School. It is time now for our final question. How can I use drones to benefit myself or my team? There are multiple industries using drones, and many of which you've probably already heard of. Here are some examples: real estate, construction, mining, transportation, education. You get the idea, and trust me, there are even a lot more. Now, you may also be wondering how drones are being used within these specific industries, and we got some examples of that as well. Drones are being used for many different purposes across industries, and even these are evolving. The better the technology gets, the more uses there are for drones and commercial drone pilots. So if any of these fit the bill for you, then you will definitely want to obtain your FAA approved drone pilot's license. There are different ways that you can study and prepare yourself for the FAA drone exam. Here are a few examples of why you may want to consider enrolling in our self-paced online course called Drone Pilot Ground School. As of 2020, we've prepared over 25,000 people to take the FAA drone exam. Our students get lifetime access to our online training course. Over 99% of our students pass the FAA exam on their first attempt. You get unlimited support by email, phone, and even voice message. You can study at your own pace and feel confidently prepared with our lesson quizzes and 5 practice tests that use real FAA test questions. Finally, we also have a money back and passing guarantee. If you don't pass your exam, don't worry, we've got your back and we will cover your FAA Part 107 exam fee.
Earlier in this video, I mentioned that you will not be asked to fly your drone during the FAA drone exam. Now, with that being said, if you or your team are interested in hands-on flight training, our team here at UAV Coach can arrange in-person flying classes with experienced instructors. For more information on that, check out the link in the description below. This is the first step towards getting your drone pilot's license. Be sure to check out the detailed PDF, which I've mentioned a couple times in this video, by clicking on the link below. It is totally free and is a great resource for you to begin on this journey to get your drone pilot's license. If you have any comments, throw them in the comments section below and we can begin that conversation there. From everybody at the UAV Coach team, we're wishing you blue skies and safe flying.